Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to access memories on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or of course guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Snapchat and then start watching this video. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the here we are in the friends and stories part. You can scroll out here to check out the videos, and here we have your location, the chats, and the camera at the end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and access memories on Snapchat. So the first thing that you of course need to do, as I already told you, is go and open your Snapchat. When you open your Snapchat, then you need to go and tap the two rectangle icons or swipe up. So basically you have those two options. So either you go and swipe up or click on the two rectangle icons. Then tap the search bar and enter a category, date, or a keyword. After you have done that, tap a memory to view it, and then swipe down to exit. And that's basically how you can do it, guys. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.